After Afghanistan episode, do you really think that American administration's interest will be the same in that particular region, if I would ask you, particularly in Pakistan?
We need to educate people that Pakistan's had to fight terrorism. They've suffered tremendously at the hands of terrorists. They want to stop terrorists as much as America wants to stop terrorists. And we need to work on building those personal relationships. We need the United States diaspora, the Pakistani diaspora in America, to help to facilitate the relationships.
Organizations like APEC, American Pakistani Advocacy Group, I've heard that they are doing a great job. So organizations like that can play any role in this whole process?
Very much so. APAC is doing a fantastic job. In the United States, our goal is to have a stable Pakistan that succeeds in the future. We don't want to see an unstable Pakistan. After all, they're a nuclear power, and they're located in this very important location. Plus, we have a lot of friends there. I personally have a lot of friends that are Pakistani Americans. So we want to see Pakistan succeed. I don't want to get involved in the internal politics of Pakistan. And you see a lot of people in America, a lot of Pakistani Americans, they're either with the government or they're with the opposition party. I can't understand the complexities of that. And I don't want to be involved in the complexities of that. What I want to do is build a relationship between the US and the Pakistani government and get private sector investment to increase in Pakistan so that the people in Pakistan can live better lives, be more productive, be more successful, and the United States can have better investments.
So when are we going to see you in Pakistan?
I think in the first half of this year is my goal. That's
a pleasant meeting with you. Thank you so much for giving your precious time.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।